Hello, my friends. It's Friday, and Friday is about Follow Your Heart Friday. That is the theme of the day. So, in today's Follow Your Heart Friday, I would love to speak about the difference between a career and a calling. Before I get into that, let me explain why I'm doing Follow Your Heart Friday. So, the women who work with me, if you've been following my work, you know that they are grieving a loss. And I work with women all over the world who are dealing with different kinds of losses. It isn't just about the death of someone they love, it's an empty nest, it is the loss of a relationship, it is the end of a dream, it is the loss of self identity. These women come to me with all kinds of losses. And so my work with them is typically divided into three different sections, and each section is important, but we have to get done with one section before we can move to the next. So the very first piece of the work I do is coping with their loss. That's the first part of the work. The second part of the work is growing through loss, because these are women who have a sense that this loss is inspiring them. It is calling them to this deeper thing. They know they're meant to do something deep and something profound in the world to make a difference in some way. They just don't know how to do it or what it is. So the second piece of the work is growing through loss. And the third piece of the work, which is the deep dive into transformation, is life purpose work. This is where we get into questions of things like calling and career. So I just wanted to set the background for that as a context for what I'm going to be speaking about next. Many people get confused between what is a career versus what is a calling. Typically, a calling, let me start with a career. A career is a service that you provide. So it could be a service you perform by trading your time, your skills, your knowledge, your experience in exchange for a salary or income or some other benefits. This is essentially something you are skilled in and that you trade, right? You work for a company, they pay you money for the skills that you trade, the experience that you bring to your position. The primary motivator when it comes to a career is income. Income generation is the primary motive that we have a career. There may be many reasons why you have a career, why you go to work, but typically the primary motivation is to earn a monthly salary. Your calling, on the other hand, refers to a personal interest, an inclination, an inner drive, a passion, something that you feel you have to do. So, whereas a career is something you need in order to function in the world and to live life on this human journey, a calling is often this thing that calls to you, that pulls you from within. It's not something that you want. It's not just something you want to do. It's something you have to do. It's irresistible, the call of the soul. Whereas for some people, career and calling merge. For many others, it doesn't always merge together. So when a career becomes something that is aligned with who you are, that is aligned with the calling of your soul, and that you would be willing to do it without even being paid an income, that's when your career becomes your calling. On the other hand, when your calling brings you a reasonable amount of money, that becomes your career. And that's how callings and careers merge. So a calling can be something, an art that you perform or engage in, like writing, painting, playing a musical instrument. It could also be a service you're guided to perform. So many people love to work with the elderly. I'm one of them. Or they like working with children. They like working with animals. These are typically activities we volunteer towards. Parenthood, in my opinion, is one of the most fundamental and highest of callings. So when a career and calling merge, that is the sweet spot. But that's not the case for everybody. because a career is primarily something that generates an income. A calling is primarily something that generates inner satisfaction. So for some people, the two merge, and for others, it remains separate and distinct. So I hope this video helps you understand the basic difference between a career and a calling. And in upcoming videos, I'll speak more about following your dream, what gets in the way of following your dream, the obstacles we encounter on the path, how do you deal with your limiting beliefs and doubts that come up when you want to follow a dream. All of that will go into my Friday bucket, Follow Your Dream Friday. So I hope this was useful. If you have a question, do post it below this video. I'm sending you off into the weekend. Have a wonderful Friday and a fabulous weekend. I will see you again next Monday. Bye now.